Good morning children, 9th standard. Today I am going to give you the answers for the exercises, book back exercises, that is geography lesson, unit 3, atmosphere. Okay, first Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answers. First one. Excuse me. Dash is the most important gas for the survival of living organism. They gave you the 4 option. நம்மளோட லிவிங்க்கு லைஃப்க்கு எந்த கேஸ் which is very important gas? Yes, very good. Oxygen. The answer is C, oxygen. Second one, the lowest layer of the atmosphere is dash. The first layer of the atmosphere. Very good. Troposphere. The answer is A, troposphere. Third one, dash reflects radio waves. Yeah, very good. Mesosphere. That is C. The answer is C. Fourth one, the process of change of state of water from gaseous to liquid is called dash. That is D. The answer is D, condensation. Then fifth one, the dash is the chief energy source of the earth. That is, the answer is A, sun. Sixth one, all types of clouds are found in the dash. That is A, troposphere. Seventh one, dash clouds are called sheep clouds. That is, the answer is A, altocumulus. Eighth one, the monsoons are dash, periodic winds. The answer is B. Periodic winds. Next, ninth one, dew in the form of the ice crystals is called dash. D. Answer is D, sleet. Then 10th one, dash is called the eye of the storm, cyclone. That is, the answer is C, cyclones. And the 11th one is the vertical movement of the air is called air current. Okay, 11th. 11th one, air current. That is C. Answer is C, air current. Next, Roman letter 2, match the following. First one. I'll write the left hand side answers first. Meteorology. Second one, climatology. Third one, anemometer. Fourth one, wind vane. Fifth one, mare's tail. Sixth, leeward side. Seventh one, willy willy. I'll write the direct answers then. Meteorology, study of weather. Study of weather is called meteorology. Climatology, study of climate. Anemometer, third one, wind speed, the instrument which we know we measure the wind speed. Wind vane, direction of wind. Direction of wind. Mare's tail, fifth one, that is called as cirrus, the cloud cirrus. Sixth one, leeward side, rain shadow region. Rain shadow region. Then seventh one, willy willy, Australia. Australia. So these are match the following. Have you understand, children? Clear? Then we'll pass on to short answers now. Have you copied down? First one, oxygen. Choose the correct answer. Oxygen, troposphere, mesosphere, condensation, sun, troposphere, altocumulus, periodic winds, sleet, cyclones, 10th one, and here 11th one, air current. And here match the following. I return the direct answers. Understand? So, next, Roman letter 3, that is short answers. Shall I rub the board? Roman letter 3. Answer the following briefly. First one, define atmosphere. You copy the question from your book. The answer is page number, it is in page number 180. Define atmosphere. All take page number 180. Here, page number 180. First paragraph, introduction, fourth line. The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. Till that. Understand? The blanket of air that surrounds the earth is called the atmosphere. That is the first answer. Second one. Mention the factors that affect the climate. It is in page number 181. Here you can see there are many factors that influence weather and climate. Distance from the equator, altitude, nearness to the sea, nature of the prevailing winds, mountain barrier, cloud cover, ocean currents and natural vegetation. So these are the factors. Then third one. I'll read out the question. Third question. Write short note on lapse rate. It is in page number 182. The pictures are here, no? Here. Altitude. Here you can see. Altitude, the second line. The temperature decreases at the rate of 6.5 degree centimeter per kilometer of height. This is called normal lapse rate. Till that. Understand? So, the temperature from the temperature till normal lapse rate. Then fourth one. Fourth question. What are the processes responsible for heating the atmosphere? That I'll write the notes then. You don't have in your book, so I'll write the answer. What are the processes responsible for heating the atmosphere? 1. Radiation. 2. Conduction. 3. Convection. 4. And fourth one, advection. 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 Okay. Then, fifth short answer. The question is, write short, mention the planetary wind system of the earth. Fifth question. Mention the planetary wind system of the earth. It is in page number 184. You can see, you just take page number 184. The planetary wind, that paragraph. The winds, planetary wind paragraph irukla inga. The types of wind, planetary winds. The winds which constantly blow in the same direction throughout the year are called the planetary winds. That's all. Understand? Okay. This is the fifth answer. Then sixth one. Write short note on trade winds and roaring forties. Sixth answer. You have two, A and B. Sixth answer, A. Trade winds. For that you have in page number 184. Page number 184. Trade winds. இங்கே இருக்கு தெரியுதா உங்களுக்கு? Can you see? Trade winds blow from the subtropical high pressure belt to the equatorial low pressure belt in both the hemisphere. அது வரைக்கும் எழுதிட்டு again in fifth line, these winds were very helpful to traders. That's all. Then B, it is in page number Roaring Forties. It is in page number 185. Page number 185, Roaring Forties. At the top, first paragraph, மேல. The velocity of westerlies become so vigorous and fast to be called roaring forties at 40 degree. That's all. The 3 lines. Okay. First paragraph, the 3 lines. Then seventh one, seventh answer. Seventh question, I'll read out that question. How are clouds formed? How are clouds formed? I'll write the answers. Answer now. Cool, moisture laden air cool, moisture laden air gets collected around particles like gets collected around particles I'll write here like dust, salt content, dust, salt content from the sea, smoke, etc. and forms clouds. Sometimes mixing of warmer and cooler air also produces clouds. Seventh answer. Understand? Okay. Then next one. We'll see in the next class. We'll continue in the next class, children. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.